Hi everyone, it's Imjams here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a shadow box with some dried roses. Here's a picture of what the roses are going to look like. So to start off, we'll need a shadow box, some dried roses which have been dried for about 3 weeks, some string. So you should probably dry your roses for maybe 4 weeks or more. We'll need a pair of scissors and some super glue. You'll need to take out the back of the shadow box, so just remove everything. I was removing it so carefully and I don't know why. And you're left with a frame. So you can just check out what you want your shadow box to look like. So I'm taking off the string from the roses and just spreading them apart. So I've placed the roses inside the shadow box with the glass on just to see what it would look like. I'm also cutting off any excess leaves because there were way too many leaves. And then I've tried to fit the flowers inside the frame. So I was just looking at like different ways in which I could have the flowers. They look so pretty like that. You could keep yours like that if you like it that way. Also, any leftover petals, you can place them around the frame and have it as a border. That was my final look, which I wanted. Look, lol. You also need to cut the extra bits which you don't need and just adjust it to your style. Okay, so I'm getting some super glue and I'm basically going to stick petals, just glue them down to the paper so they don't move. And this is me just struggling to get the flowers into the frame. Like, I struggled so much with this, guys. So in the end I did get it in, and this is what it looked like when I was done. So pretty. Wow, I was so happy. Whoa. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave some comments, let me know if you've created one or you would love to create one. Thank you for watching the video. God bless.